Hey guys, level 2 here. Alright, it is now 11:10 p.m. Eastern time. Had some stuff to do, working with a couple of the guys, doing some after work, doing some studies and stuff. Got in a couple trades live. Wasn't able to more or less signal to you guys. Alright, so let's do trade review for today and a trade plan for tomorrow, which trade review will be for today, which was the 24th, and the plan is for tomorrow, tonight into tomorrow, which is the 25th of June. Okay, so let's get to the chart and review what we actually did today based on the trade plan and looking and reviewing it with what it was this morning we were looking at. We realized that there was a lot of weakness in the market coming into the open, so we looked at the 29.58 level to enter a trade, which at that time was the point of control. We built our mini band at that time, was right above why right was there. So we got in at the 58, got this sell signal to the downside, took the sell at about 10 10 past 10 a.m. I don't like to say words like that. And took a pretty long while to break down. So guess where I tripped off again tonight at 58. We have a bearish move to the downside. We enter the trade live, so we did get a chance to post this up. Alright, so what we're looking at for that is for the ES review. Let's go to the CL. We were looking to sell the 58s. We were too late. Had a approximate entry here at 60s, 57, 60s, stay downside. What we ended up doing was buying at 56.87 live. We bought 57 flat, got stopped out, 17 point stop loss. Took profits out to the end. We held on the live side a little bit longer. So we held the live at 40s. We got out at 13s according to our risk reward. Made some cash as could be reflected here. I don't have any positions on the demo right now. So we made some money today on both sides, two winning trades positions, one losing position, end up with positive in cash. I think it was about 400 or 500 positive on cash. Alright, so what's our plan for today? You can see we seen a dip on the overnight, maybe driven by some BOJ stuff. Uh, Volume is pretty light. Let's see what the quote board showing us on volume. Only 45,000 contracts. Pretty normal for this time. Bearish moves look to be active on the overnights. So what we actually looking at doing right now is having one working order, a single contract working order, 1 to 1, using the trailing stop for the overnights at the deviation level, which was within the band range. So we're looking at deviation is at 33s. We're looking at entering at 32s on the high volume node. So we're looking at buying one contract, the high volume node, 1 to 1 risk to reward. You can see we have a space here to be probable second entry, which is this will be probable second entry in this bandwidth here. Looking at value area low at 90s. If it does break to the downside, so you're looking to minimize risk. Of course, you can trade two contracts. Just make sure I manage your risk and reward on any stuff. Now we don't advise trades. We not that kind of thing. Just showing what we actually doing in the market. So we'll probably pull this ban off for a while. And this is our running of what it is, what was the active for this week so far, which is Monday, Sunday into Monday night. Sunday night into Monday night. We'll run it because the single day is way too small. You could see the range trade which we expected To the upside, if we see positive news, we're looking at that 70, 68 to 70 area again. Looking for either weakness or breakout on that level. So we're looking to sell the 68 to 70 and buy the 30 to 33s. We have our active working order here at 32. On oil, we see in the bucker and we expect follow through. On oil, we were looking to sell the 28s. We got in a little bit lower at 80 today, tonight. Sorry, we don't have much stuff that going on. We broke through first inflection point, which we looked at today. Looked like we headed to the downside. Reason why we bought today was specifically shown. So if you're looking to get into the bearish trade overnights, this 52 level to 60 level, 50 to 60 level is applicable for overnight bears. I want to be a bear on oil for this part of the week until tomorrow afternoon. So we're looking at putting in one contract with a 30-point stop loss right at the 60 level. So you're looking for a punch retest to the high side at 60 and then come back down to the downside. Soon we're looking for that trade with a 30-point stop loss on the trailing side. So you can see why we're looking to enter a sell at 60. Sell them at 160 trail stops. Look for a bigger opportunity on the market. So you're looking at 55 to 60 as we entry. We'll take 55 as our entry point. We have 75, so we have node. So yeah, option is to look for London to pop back up and then look for the follow through to the downside and look for the completion to the 5670 area. Again, if you're looking for that. So that is about it for the trade plan for right now. If you're looking for the 60 to be exact, because you're looking at your point of control also. So if you're looking to be safe, enter on the 60, 30-point trailing stop, 60-point TP, which puts you in a better position to the upside, to the downside move, which will give you a retracement here. So look to monitor your trades if you're trading overnights. You can see where your point of control today was higher than last week's point, and now you're transitioning back inside. So what you're really looking for is this trade right here. So you're looking at point of control at 53. 73, we'll take 1-to-1 trade on it, which is 60. If it's a single contract you're traded, you're looking at maximum at 50 points. So you're gonna add value high and low. So you're gonna add maximum of 50 points for 50 points. Take profit, looking for the bounce back to the upside and then come to the downside on the trade. More than likely you might get that on London. If you're trading, I would advise trading singles if you're trading with a wide stop such as that. Looking for the fill and then to manage in and out on the trade. We're looking for 60 points, which would put you at, if you're looking for 103, 703, put you at a node. Again, don't chase trades. Please do not chase a trade. If you didn't see the move earlier, do not trade it, because now it's late. We have news running through. We are in a live trade still, so trade what you see, trade small, trade smart. Look for best points at entry and exits. logical points of entry and exits also. So that is for oil and the ES. What we have tomorrow within data releases is not much tomorrow, which is we have the OPEC meeting going on, so that might affect your oil. And not much wholesale US FOMC speakers, and we have consumer confidence tomorrow, so at 10 a.m. So we'll see about that in the morning. I should be streaming from 9:30 a.m. tomorrow, probably from 9:30 to 11:30 as per normal. Run through 2 hours on YouTube. Okay, guys. Hope you trading small, trading smart. Like, share, comment, normal stuff. Okay, guys. Bye.